Today we will try a new tool called Hedra. Hedra is an AI lip sync tool. Here you can choose any voice from the list. As it is a beta version, it has only a few voices, but you can import your own audio.
Never mistake motion for action.
The greatest gospel concert the world has ever witnessed is coming to Rochester.
It is not so important to know everything as to appreciate what we learn.
If one is lucky, a solitary fantasy can totally transform 1 million realities.
Hey, I'm Aracita. I might be a little ditzy, but I'm a lot of fun and the life of the party. Search Aracita in the voice library for my other voices.
Failure doesn't mean you are a failure. It just means you haven't succeeded yet.
Let's create some texts from ChatGPT for voice generation. Here we can upload a photo of our own character. We can also create a new character by writing a prompt. Now we simply click the Generate Video button.
AI is transforming healthcare with early, accurate disease detection, enhancing transportation with self-driving cars, personalizing education, and enriching entertainment. Despite its benefits, we must address ethical concerns, data privacy, and job displacement to ensure AI benefits everyone.
Let's see some other samples.
Hi, I am Lumina. I'm an AI avatar here to assist, inform, and engage with you. Create whoever you can imagine.
But not too creative.
Introducing Hedra's foundation model preview, where infinite video length meets amazing speed.
Well, this is really not how I thought this video was going to end.
Enough colonies, red coat hats on my list. G-Dub.
Welcome to a test of the Hedra Alpha.
So this tool has a huge potential. You can explore the tool and it is currently free to use. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.